Hello there. Do I have something on my face? In case you're wondering, my husband has been looking a little pale lately, but you know, it might not be exactly what he signed up for, but as partners, we support and feed each other in all things. No husbands were harmed in the making of this video. Anyways, moving on from my possibly very, very bad jokes. This is going to be my last video before Halloween, so happy Halloween! Unfortunately, I will be in a 3-hour night lecture on the actual holiday, but maybe my husband and I will do something on the weekend, if something can be done when you don't plan for it in advance. We shall see. And for this spooky Halloween video, not really, I'm going to share with you a tutorial for these Halloween nails that I will pull up on the screen because it's probably not very easy to see them like this. And here they are. And before we get into the tutorial part of the video, I just wanted to reintroduce myself in case you're new. My name is Ekaterina, and I post a video every Friday related to fashion, style, nails, things like that. If you like those things, consider subscribing. And now let's get into the tutorial. And we're done! Whew! That was a lot of work. not really. They're actually quite simple to do, as you saw. And maybe this gave you some idea for your own spooky-ish Halloween nails. Before I leave you, I will share one positive thing from my day. My fake blood just dripped on my hand. Oh my gosh, wow, but not on my sweater. I feel so lucky. Ooh, this could totally be my positive thing for the day, that my hand just happened to be in the right position to save the fake blood from dripping onto my sweater. Watch me finish this video and find some fake blood all over my sweater later. Anyways, so yeah, positive thing. Sweater not ruined, fake blood on my hand. Please share something positive from your day in the comments below. I would love to read what you have to say. It always makes me feel so much happier to read things from your day that are positive and happy. Or if you want to share something negative, that's fine too. I'll read it as well. And now that I'm done babbling, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!